Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young farmer named Mark. Mark had always dreamed of growing the most beautiful flowers in the village, but he faced one problem: his garden had barren soil. Despite the odds, Mark decided to pursue his dream. He visited the village library and read countless books on gardening. He learned about fertilizer, watering techniques, and the importance of patience. Mark worked tirelessly day in and day out. He invested his time, energy, and savings into his garden. He carefully planted seeds, watered them faithfully, and patiently waited for results. Weeks turned into months, and Mark's garden showed no sign of progress. Doubts crept in, and many villagers mocked him for his futile efforts. But Mark remained steadfast. One day, while tending to his garden, he noticed a small sprout emerging from the soil. It was a tiny, fragile seedling. Mark couldn't contain his excitement. He continued to care for that single seedling as if it were the most precious thing in the world. Over time, that small seedling grew into a magnificent, vibrant flower. Its beauty was unlike anything the village had ever seen. Word of Mark's incredible flower spread far and wide, and people came from neighboring villages to witness it. Mark's determination, patience, and unwavering belief in his dream had transformed a barren garden into a symbol of hope and inspiration. He had shown everyone that even from the humblest beginnings, success could bloom. The moral of the story: no matter how challenging your circumstances may be, with determination, hard work, and patience, you can turn your dreams into reality. Just like Mark, nurture the seed of your ambitions, and one day, it will blossom into something extraordinary.